Intermolecular forces are forces that moderate interactions between molecules. They are the bonds between these molecules.
There are two forms of IMFs, covalent and ionic. There are three types of covalent and two of ionic. London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole, and hydrogen bonds are covalent, while ion-dipole, ionic bonding are ionic.
This chart shows how to determine what bond you are looking at. First of all, are ions involved? If yes, then are polar molecules and ions both present? If ions are not involved, then are polar molecules involved? If they are, then are hydrogen atoms bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine atoms? If polar molecules are not involved, then they are LDFs. If hydrogen atoms are not bonded to not atoms, they will be dipole-dipole. If they are, they will be hydrogen bonding. If polar molecules and ions are both present, then it will be ion-dipole forces. If they are not both present, then it will be ionic bonding.
The bonds increase in strength from left to right.
The stronger an IMF, the higher the boiling points and melting points will be, and the lower the freezing point. There are three types of covalent IMFs: London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole, and hydrogen bonding. All three of these are known as van der Waals forces.
London dispersion forces are the weakest IMF. This is because it is a temporary bond between two similar dipoles. These forces exist in all molecules and even in nonpolar molecules.
Dipole-dipole forces exist between polar molecules and are attracted to one another by the positive end of a molecule attracting to the negative end of another molecule.
Hydrogen bonding is a special form of dipole-dipole forces. This means that it still consists of a partially negative end of an atom bonded to the partially positive end of another atom. This bond is stronger than that of a dipole-dipole force, as it consists of a hydrogen atom bonded to a highly electronegative atom, such as nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine.
The other form of intermolecular forces are ionic IMFs. There are two types of ionic IMFs: ion-dipole and ionic bonding.
Ion-dipole forces exist between a neutral molecule's dipole and an ion and are usually consisting of polar molecules.
Ionic bonding is the strongest intermolecular force. It consists of bonding between two ions. This bonding exists through the transfer of electrons and therefore is extremely strong. In this compound, lithium fluoride, the metallic ion lithium is losing an electron to the nonmetal ion.
Thanks for watching.